Hello everyone, Storm11 here. Today we'll be taking a look at the weather predictions for towards the end of March and potentially to early April. Now we're going to get started with the GFS model here. And you can see as of right now, for the most part, it's cold for a good chunk of people. There's areas of warmth out in the west and parts of the central eastern United States there. Now, as we're going to continue on, it kind of gets a little bit cool out in the east there. And it kind of sticks around kind of like that way. And we got an area of warmth coming into the central United States there. And that kind of starts to push off to the east. Maybe some cold weather into March 23rd of next weekend here. Here comes to the point where we kind of get to severe weather criteria. And this is going to be Monday of March 25th. When you get big warm-ups like this, really your low pressure is going to be like somewhere, maybe like in Montana, North and South Dakota. Included front here, you got your cold front. It's kind of visible there. You got your warm front way up to Canada. And when you get setups like this, you get a chance of severe weather anywhere in this warmth area in particular, where you get your average up into, looks to be 6, 8, maybe 12 degrees above average, which is well above average. That's just it kind of fizzles out, as you can tell there, in warmth. Kind of tries to come back in, and cold air kind of defeats. And here's another one of those type of severe weather events. Stretching from South Dakota all the way back down to Texas. That's a pretty good setup for severe weather. It's a pretty healthy one. That pushes off to the east. We got another surge of warmth there. More severe weather potential. Now, basically what it is showing here is that we got potential for severe weather later into March, into early April. That's going to be a little bit concerning because, you know, when you get these type of setups, you get a pretty good chance of severe weather. It's also the prime time for severe weather season or tornado season. So basically, at this point, your best chance of severe weather at this point looks to be really, and let me get my pen out. I'll get my black one out. A little bit larger. So really, your best chance of severe weather is anywhere going to be in this black here in particular. Here it's your best chance of severe weather, and that's bad news for a good chunk of people as well. And if we look at it, the GFS here, really severe weather is going to be quiet. Really, we may get a little bit of chance of severe weather in Texas, but it kind of fizzles out. There's a chance of severe weather on the March 23rd for a few people. That kind of continues to the east. Pretty well, actually. Into the east. We're going to see what's going to happen there. Big time, maybe better chance of severe weather. That's probably the big concerning day. It's going to be March 27th. That's going to be a pretty good day, is what it looks like. And that kind of continues for those same areas as well. So it's really these guys here that's got to watch for the chances for severe weather. So then what's looking to be as an active pattern for a good chunk of the country. Now, it seems like the West Coast can be a little bit quiet, but if we do actually look onto the precipitation, we could probably get a better idea of this here. So here we go. As of right now, we got a Clipper system in the Ohio Valley region. That doesn't last for too long. Overall, it's going to be kind of quiet. I'm waiting for this here to update. For some reason, it is kind of slow. You got high pressure out in the east. Maybe we get a few rain showers or snow showers for parts of the central United States. Probably about a weak system, I would imagine. There goes a weak system there. pushes off to the east. We got a little bit of the system out into the Rockies. Looks like that could be something right there for severe weather that could try to develop in somewhere in here. That starts to push off to the east there. There could be some snow potential with that one, but I kind of doubt it in the same time because it is getting to the point where it's going to be prime spring. So yeah. Now this is good. That's going to be a decent system right there. If we get a setup like that, you're going to have a lot of issues with that. There that goes. Passed on. There goes another chance of severe weather that will start to spark. Let's look at the FE3 very quickly here. Let this load in. Everything load in very quickly. And we're almost there. Oh. Come on. Yeah, we'll skip those hours then. So here we go, 30 hours out. This is going to be tomorrow on Monday. Well, Monday night into Tuesday, March 19th. Kind of quiet. We got a little bit of a clipper system there that will go by. Goes this. Now that could be. That's going to be a pretty good system there if that happens. That's 114 hours out, so it's not that far out, really. So that takes up to the northeast. We got a system right here into Sunday to Monday, showing a little bit different story here once we bring it a little bit further to the south. Now keep in mind the smallest not that good just yet. It is almost done with what I've heard. So it's almost there, basically. So if we go and continue on, now that's going to be a good chance for severe weather. That's a pretty good setup for that. Then it starts to be a little bit uncertainties there. So this is all guys today. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do like my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you got any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.